Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and accounts because compatibility matters. Older firmware breaks AirPlay handoff. First, update Apple TV and HomePod Mini to the latest OS, then sign both into the same Apple ID and connect them to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Home app and ensure the HomePod is assigned to the same room as the Apple TV. Once done, enable AirPlay on Apple TV and verify the HomePod appears as an audio output option. Now pair the HomePod as the Apple TV speaker so audio routes properly. On Apple TV, navigate to Settings, then Video and Audio, and open Audio Output. Choose the HomePod Mini from the list. Select Pair or Set as default speaker depending on your goal. The system creates a linked audio session so Siri and volume controls remain coordinated. Make sure the Home app reflects that Apple TV uses the HomePod for sound, which ensures consistent playback, latency reduction, and finish by testing multiple types of content so you catch sync or channel mapping issues. Play video and music, then adjust volume with Siri or the Apple TV remote to confirm control and latency are acceptable. If audio lags or drops, restart HomePod, Apple TV, and your router in that order. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair the speaker if necessary. As a last resort, remove and reset the HomePod in the Home app. Only do this when simpler restarts don't resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.